Today we are going to unbox a powerful wireless display transmission device, EZCast Omni One. This device features up to 800 mm long-range transmission, ultra-low latency under 60 milliseconds, and smart channel hopping. How well does it perform? Let's find out. Inside the box we have Omni One Transmitter, Omni One Receiver, 2 HDMI cables and 2 Type-C cables, USB-C DP alt cable, 4-cup magnet with screw, universal adapter and user manual. This is the Omni One Transmitter, equipped with HDMI and Type-C DP interfaces, perfect for connecting to laptops, gaming consoles, and more. And here is the Omni One Receiver, featuring an HDMI port for output to TVs, projectors, and other display devices. In response to the demand for precise display performance, it delivers ultra-low latency under 60 milliseconds, ensuring perfectly synchronized video and audio for real-time experiences. The Omni One is equipped with dual antennas to enhance reliable connectivity to reach the transmit through barrier ability. With up to 800 mm ultra-long wireless transmission, it ensures stable signals, making it ideal for large conference rooms or outdoor events. Also, the hardware includes a smart channel hopping function. The device will dynamically switch channels to maintain stable and interference-free transmission. And it supports OTA cloud updates, allowing for real-time updates to the latest firmware version. In addition, for displaying multi-screen, we can add-on purchase the Omni One Receiver Maximum up to 4. It supports up to 1 to 4 receivers to wireless display at the same time. Overall, the EZCast Omni One is a wireless display solution designed for long-range use, reliable signal transmission through barriers, and scenarios requiring flexible multi-screen displays.